The equipment is not fully dark. There's a faint blink. Isolate the noise inside Hab 1. Status check. System seems stable now. Noise isolated.
The habitat hum drops, but the vibration is still there. Not the pumps. I need to compare the vibration with the blink. The bracket bends. Good, it holds. Try the cutter now. Clean cut, feels sturdy, ready for extraction. The beat is real. Checking for line of sight.
Broken relay, Sector 5, flashing. Dust distortion, looks like a shape. Confirmation, just light, marking hazard. The vibration is weaker here, but still present. The source is beyond Hab 1. Seal the interior.
All right, holding. The wheel resists, the chamber can cycle. Now, test the suit joints. Elbow checks out clean. Now, the knee and the ankle. Be thorough.
Tab pulled, seal engaged, no leak.
Engaging low gear. No traction. Too soft. Status? We're not making it. Next stop is on foot.
The ground near the relay is unstable. Trace a safer arc around the soft patch.
The relay was pulled. Curved marks match the cables. Looks like they were cut before burial.
Cable is taut. Underground tension confirmed. Not pulling it any further.
The casing holds a faint warmth against the cold air. Something inside still works in broken pulses. Find the removable core.
The rib shifts. Not stable. Adjusting angle.
The line curves toward a collapsed anchor point. Thermal cycling likely dragged the frame over time. Free the core without releasing the whole cable. The core is cemented by freeze-thaw dust crust.
Work around the second edge. The core's active. I'm getting a pulse. Copy that. Proceed with the bracket. Damn, that won't budge. Okay, bend it is. The bracket's loose. Move, it's collapsing. Still trapped. Something's under here. Clear the underside by touch. Brace for collapse.
The suit took a hit. Check the joint. Status green.
Breach confirmed at the knee seam. We need immediate patching.
Understood. Preparing sealant now. Each step may worsen the suit damage. Reduce knee bend and continue. Analyzing the signal. Negative confirmation. Moving to grid Alpha 4. Acknowledged. Proceeding.
There. A track. It's gone, but not lost. Follow it. Step by step.
The groove curves left around a soft patch. Original route avoided unstable ground. Follow the curve instead of walking straight. The wheels have lost the grooves.
Sorry.
Switching to terrain memory. Dust is thickening, hurry! The outside route is now erased. We made it. Something's out there.
I hear it, Lucky.
All right. Still alive. Just enough. Now, that suit...
Sniff, sniff. Wine.
The seal's compromised. Separate the suit from the clean area. The core still carries the broken rhythm heard from Hab 1. Prepare a non-electronic stabilization mount. Strap secured. Not trustworthy. Marking complete. Still leaking. Damn. Core seated. Test fit. Locked in. Moving it to Hab 1. Earth contact pathway unstable. Okay, come on. Receiving core. Stress accepted. Now we wait.
The blinking is steady now. We've got a lock. Message sent. But look at the dust gathering on the horizon. The cost is coming.
It's worse. Much worse. We're grounded. Find something to patch it.